everyone, how are you all? I hope you all be good. My name is Chef Rahul Markam and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in my previous video you watched, I made the video about refined oil, why refined oil is a poison and why I suggest to you we should to use this extra virgin olive oil. I remove all the labels, right, because I don't want to promote any company, any brand in my video, right? So why we should to use extra virgin olive oil? Because simple thing, if it is expensive, I told you in my previous video, refined olive oil, 2 liter of one bottle, it's coming in a $1, but this extra virgin olive oil, it's coming in a $2, but 1 liter. But that refined oil, in a $1, you will get 2 liter. But extra virgin olive oil, in $2, you will get only 1 liter. Why? You should to think why. Because if you will consume food with this oil, right? Everyone is eating food, right? Everyone. Without food nobody can survive, without food nobody can even walk, because our body need energy. So if you will consume any food with olive oil, right, so you will get all the nutritions, saturated fat, energy, calorie, which our body needs. You will get everything if you are using cold press any kind of oil, but it should be cold press. Why we call extra virgin olive oil? Because that oil comes by cold press, right? Doesn't matter about only olive oil. You can use sunflower, extra virgin sunflower oil. You can use extra virgin mustard oil, because those oil comes with cold press. But refined oil, refined oil comes with glycerin, chemical, and so many bad chemical which is not good for our health. Vendors, factory, they produce those things because those things, it's not good for our health, right? But they are selling and so many people they are buying also. Why? Because cheap. But they don't know in future, now they are looking the cheap, but in future they will look to the expensive hospital to save their life, right? So use always cold press oil, which is good for our health, which is good for our heart. If you will use this oil, if you will consume this oil, no any cholesterol will be in your body, right? So just avoid refined oil, any kind of refined oil. Doesn't matter if it can be olive refined oil, mustard refined oil, right? Peanut refined oil, sunflower refined oil, any kind of refined oil, just avoid it. Use extra virgin, any kind of product oil, but it should be cold press, natural, all the nutritions, natural nutritions you will get in the cold press extra virgin oil. So please avoid to consume refined oil. So in this video only this much. See you in the next video.